Today is Monday, November 20th. Today is day 5 of not having a job. I didn't record yesterday. I just worked on a video that I wanted to have live before the end of the day. Got that up. That one was about using Roadie to get multiple Walmart Spark orders at a time, more than just like the 2 or 3 that you can normally get. You can also get like additional deliveries by the Roadie app. Got that video done. Not performing the best. It's like ranking 6 out of 10 for the most recent videos. But yeah, that one's up. Just gotta wait for some comments, see if people have any other questions about Roadie, so that way I can throw it into the video that's going to be on Wednesday. That one's gonna be all of the grocery delivery apps that I could find. So that video is like completely edited, except for like if people have other questions about Roadie, then I'll just throw it into that video. And then yeah, I have a video like this, just me like talking, I guess, to you. I finished editing that this morning. That was the day that I got fired. I just recorded some thoughts, just trying to get some feedback first on it. It's just more informal, more like this type of video. So I imagine if you're seeing this by now, I've already posted at least 2 other videos that are similar to that. Yeah, I just want to check in every day or every other day. I feel like that's kind of better. So that way I'm not like overloading you guys with tons of videos. But yeah, it's about almost noon here, Mountain Time. I need to make some food soon. I'm gonna make some pork pho with bean sprouts and broccoli and carrots. I think that's all the fresh vegetables I need to use up. So as you might see, background's a little bit different. Maybe I'll record what it looks like now, but like split up the couches, put a couch in front of the fireplace, because we have a ton of wood. I'll have to add that in the video too. Have a ton of wood that we got just to burn and move that around. That's like all of my other stuff, just like move stuff around, made it a little bit, I don't know, it feels a little bit more open in here for some of it, but other parts of it are kind of cramped feeling. It's just kind of a weird shape, so it's kind of hard to fit this couch and the other couch that goes with it to like make it fit. Like I wanted to make like the L shape around the fireplace, but if we did that, then like this hallway right here would be all blocked off from this side, so you'd have to like go through the guest bedroom to go to the main bedroom. So it's not really practical. Rearranged stuff, moved my desk back over here where I was like when I originally moved here. My desk started out here until like we had a flood from the ceiling. It just started leaking water, and like I had all of my stuff here, my MacBook. I had like a wooden desk, so that got soaked. Everything got soaked. Like it was literally like a swamp on the floor out here. I can probably throw up the video of that as well. That way you can see that. If you can see that, all this. Gig work video is done for Wednesday, so I'll need to make a new one by Sunday, but I'm thinking that I'll just start adding in YouTube videos as well, like videos about YouTube, how to like find keywords and stuff that would create good videos, or like finding topics that haven't been talked about, and like the tools that I use, like everything that I did, so that way I could get monetized in a year instead of it taking multiple years. And I got monetized in like 40 or 50 videos. And a lot of the times people post like hundreds of videos and still don't get monetized. I don't know, I feel like there's something there that I could like share potentially and help other people if they do want to do YouTube as well. I could help them get a little bit started. I guess on a like personal note, still feeling sick. I think I have a cold or something. Just congested, headache. I'm not really sure if I have a fever, but just hot and cold all day long. So drinking some tea, have water, have sparkling water, definitely a drink goblin. So just trying to keep up with tons of fluids, and I'm drinking chamomile tea. I don't really do caffeine. I haven't had coffee since college, essentially. I stopped drinking coffee after I went to college because I was drinking way too much every day. But yeah, oh, also, I got accepted for Deliver That this morning. I got a text message from them that says that my profile is now activated in the Deliver That driver app. So I'll be able to start taking deliveries on the platform. That's great. Like, I'm not sure if I said this in another video, but Rody, I kind of screwed up. I created the second account and then that turned my current account inactive, and the support's just not answering me. I've emailed them back multiple times and they still haven't answered me, so I'm gonna have to email them again today. With shipped, I called them and they said that they sent it off and it'll be like a day or two. That was on Friday, so today would be kind of the second day. I'll let them go until tomorrow. I might have to just call back and see tomorrow what's going on with that. And then also Walmart Spark, I haven't heard back from them at all. Today's the fourth day and they still haven't gotten back to me. So I'm thinking about calling driver support and seeing what they say and seeing if they have any other options other than just like the appeal thing that I did. I wonder if there's like an email address that I can email somebody and get in touch with them sooner, because that was supposed to take a day or two and it's already been 3 days. This will be like the fourth day. So trying to get that back up and going before Black Friday, which is in 4 days. So yeah, it's not looking too good for Walmart Spark. As soon as I needed all of the gig apps the most, when I went to go use them again, when I like logged in to use them, they all kind of screwed me over. Hoping I can get some of that figured out within the next couple of days, because it's going to be important in like a week from now at the beginning of the next month to start doing deliveries again. I can't like fall too far behind with like how much money I have or anything like that. So yeah, I'm hoping that I can get everything figured out before then. I'm just gonna have to be a little bit more aggressive with the way that I'm trying to contact all of these companies, because they're like ghosting me. Like Rody was so fast to answer the first day, and then I emailed back like what I wanted to do, and then they never answered back. And so the next day I emailed them back again and was like, hey, like just checking on this again because I haven't heard back from you. And then they gave me another option of like what I should do. So then I told them what I wanted to do, like delete the account that I just signed up for. And then I want to keep like the account that I previously had that's active. And they still haven't answered. I emailed them back twice now. They haven't answered. So I'm gonna have to email them a third time and be like, hey, like, can you like do this? I don't know why they're like ghosting me on it. I don't know. It should be really easy to do and it's just taking forever. Because at least with Rody, I can do Walmart Spark deliveries and do like the general merchandise, like 12 orders for around like 60 something dollars, and that'll only take like an hour or two. So yeah, wish me luck. Hopefully by the time you see this, everything's good. I guess that's all the updates that I have for now. If there's anything that you guys want to know about, ask it down in the comments. I think I'll read these comments a little bit more than my other videos, because the other videos I just get hundreds and hundreds of comments, so it piles up and it's like every day there's another 100 to go through, so it usually takes a couple hours to go through all of the comments each week. But yeah, maybe I'll find some time to actually go through everything. Who knows? For now, I just want to focus on getting as many videos up and making sure that they're not like low quality or that they feel rushed or anything like that. That's what I'm going to focus on for today. Just get through some videos. When I need a break, I think I'll email the supports and call Walmart Spark support. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little update. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, consider hitting subscribe and just keep following me as I try to make everything work. YouTube and gig work instead of going back to a regular job. This might be a little bit longer of a video, but I'll see you in the next video.